Amen bantwana bezithunywa, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos and subscribing. Namhlanje sizokhuluma ngokuphahla. Kuyini ukuphahla? Khona abantu abangakwazi ukuphahla noma umuntu angasisho ukuthi uphahla kanjani. Ukuphahla is a sacred ritual connecting us with our ancestors or guides. And then uyenza kanjani? Uphahla kanjani? Yini emele ukuthi uyenze ama-do's and don'ts? I won't even mention izinto eziningi. Kumele ukuthi ugqoke uhlonipheke. So abantu besifazana kumele ukuthi uzikhave kuma-shoulders wakho, and then ungagcoki ama-mini skirts, ungafaki ama-trousers. So ugcoke kahle nje uhlonipheke, and then uthwale nasekhanda. And then abantu besilisa, no shorts. You should not wear any shorts or ufake ama-short sleeve t-shirts. So kumele ukuthi ufake ama-long trousers and then ufake i-jacket ezokukhava la kuma-shoulders wakho. And then you set the time apart ukuthi uphahla nini. And then ideal ukuthi uphahle ekuseni noma ntambama. And then these are the things ongazidinga mawuphahla. It's either uphahla kuyo prayer altar or ngizothini umsamo wakho, noma uya ehlane or emanzini ngokuhlukahlukana kwawo. Like let's say uya next to the river or uya ngaselwandle, or abanye baphahla nasentabeni. Indawo lezo ongaphahla kuzo. So ehlane, ama-mountains, water bodies, and then umsamo noma ngithi altar. And then these are the things that you will need mawuyophahla. Impepho, if you are allowed ukuthi uyuse. Khona abantu abavumelekile ukuthi bangaphahla, khona abavumelekile ukuthi bangaphahla ngempepho, and khona abantu abangavumelekanga ukuthi bangaphahla ngempepho. So abeSuthu clan in most cases ukane wakopanya phofo, and then uyimixe le metsi, and then like kokomiking, and then you can take that and use that how phahla, and then utlotshela mo fatshe mo tla bo phahla ko teng. And then abavumelekile ukuthi bayasebenzise isinefu, then ungasebenzisa kakhulu bayasebenzisa i-taxi lesi bathi sorry bathi intsu, yeah, this is black and yellow kakhulu kuphahlwa ngaso, but kuya ngabantu bakho. So say for instance ungene ukhokho wakho and ukhokho wakho bekasebenzisa i-taxi green, then uzosebenzisa yona. Then mawuku-prayer altar, then asithi uhamba ney'thunywa, ungabeka neglasi lamanzi lapho. So enye into ozoyidinga amakhandlela, then nometshisi wakho. So you are going to light your candles, and then ama-candles-ke kuzoya ngokuthi wena ukhethelwe maphi. If ungakazi or ungakabonisi, use amakhandlela white. Ungazibuza ukuthi ngizosebenzisa maphi amakhandlela ayingaki sebenzisa amakhandlela white. If let's say usebenzise 2 and bona bafuna 3, bazokubonisa ukuthi sebenzisa kanjani. So as long wena uqale ngaleyo white le, kuqalwa lapho enhleke ey'ntweni ey'ningi. And then you're going to light your candles and then pray to the Most High, ngoba uNkulunkulu uye u-Alpha and Omega, uza kuqala empilweni zethu. Bekakhona emandulo sekhona futhi uyohlezi akhona. So ma ungambizi uzothi uthembeni. And then mawuphahla, you call or invite ama-ancestors wakho. Call upon the clean ones, because khona amadlozi angekho clean. So you need to say ukuthi ngimema laba bemimoya clean, hayi laba so. And then you need to introduce yourself ukuthi ubani, umntana kabani, kanjalo. Abavumelekile ukuthi basebenzise iy'bongo mawusho ngey'bongo zakho uyazibiza, but if ungazi or khona umbango, then ungabizi iy'bongo. And then ukhulume ngenhlonipho. And then mawuqedile, or rather ngithi bese usuyakhuluma-ke nabantu abadala. Ukhulume ngenhlonipho like I've mentioned. And then bese ungabi too quick ukuthi ucime amakhandlela wakho. Yeah, yilokho engizokusho ngokuphahla. Thank you so much for watching my channel, subscribing, liking, and commenting. Amen.